This is Port Antonio Market. It burnt down about 2 years ago, and it haven't been fixed yet. Sad to see that they can't put it together, and this is how they have the people on the side. Here's inside of the market here. Still not organized yet. Still not put together. The people have to be out on the side here doing their selling, trying to make ends meet, trying to organize themselves. And the market just, I think they just have the meat part only organized, you know. And this is where they have the meat slaughter place where they sell the meats and all that kind of stuff. But to me, it's not really organized yet. They need to bring this to a level where people can have some sort of place where they can sell and the customer they can buy proper things. What you eating there, man? What kind of drinks you want? A Pepsi. So how much a Pepsi cost? $200. All right, hold on. I'm gonna. Okay, all right, no problem. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. I'm doing something here right now. This is in the town center. Man begging me a Pepsi. I'm gonna get him a Pepsi right now. Yeah. So how you doing? What are you doing? You selling out here? Okay. So what they gonna do with the market pretty soon? So, I mean, this is how you have to sell this stuff just out on the front. Sad, man, sad. But it's almost more than 2 years, or 2 years now. A year and a half. But you know, I hope that they will fix up the market and everything goes well. Because I heard the Prime Minister plan to do some sort of fixing and bringing the town to a certain way that tourists can visit and the town. Well, I hope that the town will come back what it used to be like back in the days, you know? Because it was a beautiful place, Port Antonio. And to me, it's more like, you know, the town run down. It's run right down to the ground, to me. And it's a beautiful town, beautiful people. And, you know, people come from outside trying to make the place more like, you know, like go down, you know, it's not building up. But when I was young and living here in Port Antonio, it was so beautiful, you know what I mean? So hopefully that they will come back with it. Who you said sell the Pepsi now? All right, okay, all right. Yeah, this man want a Pepsi. Yeah, man, just buying a Pepsi. How you doing, lady? Everything good? All right, your Pepsi stuff here? You said $200 for the Pepsi?